White glass, I wear my white glass. Shut up! Now those niggas made to keep quiet.
Who are you talking to?
Me?
Follow me to a fine cubicle. Shedding noise to the stacks, who they play with you. Shedding level not to play, what you doing?
Shut up! Who are you talking to?
They follow me to a fine cubicle. Shedding noise to the stacks, who they talk. Shedding level not to play, what you doing? Big flash, big bands, sick fresh.
Gas filler.
Big bread, big flash, big safe, gas filler. Big flash, big bands, sick fresh. Gas filler, big bread, big flash.
When you messing with that bus nigga.
Every time I pull up with the gang, yeah, photocopy with the flavor. Gotta tell this propaganda.
Vip put no be pairs up.
Big heart, harder than every time. No problem, big money, no behind. Everything fresh, everything clear, everything big. Shut it, surplus to requirements.
Who are you talking to? Or let me talk from my cubicle. Many idiots asking me where's BSMS? What is BSMS doing? Umaz they are not Umaz, they know Umaz.
Big friend, big flag, big self, gas
But I'm no
big flag, big band, sick fresh.
gas filler. But I go fill am. They fill am. Feel like no fill am, now you know. You guys to shut up. You talking against BSMS, you gotta shut up, nigga. You talking against what we're doing, you have to shut up. Shut up! Get sense. You get sense. Who are you talking to?
They follow me to a fine cubicle. Shedding noise to the stacks, who they play with you. Shedding level not to
video, share the video.
Big flash, big bands, six flash, gas flap, big bread, big flash, big self, gas flap, big flash, big bands, six flash, gas flap, big bread, big flash. I'm rocking with most.
God bless Biafra and God bless Biafra Special Military Squad. Nigeria must fall. Nigeria has fallen already. God bless Biafra. God bless Biafra Special Military Squad. Nigeria must fall. Nigeria has fallen already. Fulani herdsmen must fall. Fulani herdsmen have fallen already. God bless General Chukwuma Dike-Amemon, the leader of Biafra Special Military Squad. Once again, it's Commander Nana Victor Maxwell Odum. I'm right here on this Facebook Live, right back on Facebook. I know the reason why I played the song I played earlier, saying shut up, because some people have been saying so many obscure things about me. So many people have been saying so many obscure things, so many irrelevant things against me and against what Biafra Special Military Squad is doing. But there was a video I made earlier before I went off Facebook. I made a video and I told the world that what BSMS is doing is totally underground and it's going to remain underground and it's never going to come out for the world to see again. But as for our broadcast and as for us saying the truth on what the matter seems to be, on how the matter has to be, is something that has to be continuous and has to be something that we have to continue doing. I was off Facebook for a while. So many people started ranting. That was after the release of my General Chukwuma Dike-Amemon, the Demon of the East. When he was released, so many people were like I went off Facebook because of what Mark Zuckerberg was doing. So many unscrupulous elements went ahead to be reporting my Facebook to the Facebook authorities, for Facebook to block me and for me to stop propagating the gospel of Biafra Special Military Squad. And I tried opening accounts as many as possible, but it was blocked. You understand? So I decided to stay on the low and concentrate on my duty and concentrate on what I was doing and concentrate on what Biafra Special Military Squad is doing, which is tackling the menace of the Fulani herdsmen and making sure that it's brought to an abrupt end. Yeah. You know, before I go into what I came to talk about today, I just want to make it simple and I want to make it clear for our people to understand. As far as freedom fighting is concerned, it is something that has to be done the way the continent you dwell in is placed. You understand? Like, we are not Europeans. You understand? As far as we are not Europeans, we don't have to do things the way or try to follow what they are doing because we are not them, and it's never going to work for us. All right? We only have to follow the procedures of what and where we find ourselves in. What am I trying to say? This is Africa. All right? This place is Africa. And there's a way things are being done in Africa, especially when it comes to freedom fighting. There's a way freedom fighting is being done in Africa. Freedom is not given in Africa. Freedom is being taken. If you wait for someone to call you and tell you, hey, take your freedom, or hey, you want to be free? Okay, you are free to go. That's a blatant lie. In fact, it's one of the greatest lies. All right? Freedom fighting, as far as Africa is concerned, has to be strictly an armed struggle. We are not in contention. We in the Biafra Special Military Squad, we are not in contention with anybody. We are not in contention with any other group who are fighting for the restoration of Biafra. But that is never going to stop us from propagating our own gospel, which is strictly on armed struggle. So why did we decide to engage in this armed struggle, or why must we engage in armed struggle? This is a question we should be asking ourselves. Please help me share this video, help me circulate this video so that this video can go viral, so that our people can listen, so that people can understand the fact that yes, this is the truth of the issue. All right. Now, Fulani herdsmen are one of the major, in fact, they are the major problem we have, not one of they are the most major problem we are having as far as Biafra land is concerned, and also as far as the disintegration of Nigeria is concerned. Fulani herdsmen, what they are doing to our people is no longer news. I don't want to go into things that are irrelevant, because I call them irrelevant because it's no longer news. It's everywhere. Everyone knows about the menace of the Fulani herdsmen, how they kill our people, rape our mothers in the farm, destroy crops on the farms and all that. We already know that, so I don't want to delve into that part. All right? So what I'm trying to say is this. As far as the Fulani herdsmen are occupying our land, yes, because they've started occupying our land, it's just that our people are yet ignorant of this. Most of our people are bereft of this very knowledge. Now, what am I trying to say? The Fulani herdsmen have really messed our land up. And the only way to take them away is by engaging into armed struggle. That is the only way to get them out. All right? We don't care what another group is doing or what other people are doing. You understand? Armed struggle is the only way out. This is Africa. Bro, this is Africa. It's high time we start telling ourselves the truth. It's high time we start telling ourselves the truth. In Africa, diplomacy don't work in Africa. It can never work. Diplomacy don't work in Africa. The AU are slaves to the European Union and the United Nations. They are slaves. Nothing like diplomacy works in Africa. You can check the case of Eritrea and Ethiopia. You can take South Sudan and Sudan and all other African countries that gained their freedom. It never came through peacefully. The case of South Africa was not a total disintegration. The case of South Africa was a case of apartheid. All right? The case of South Africa was a case of apartheid. The South Africans did not engage in freedom because they want to break away or form another country apart from South Africa. They were fighting for the rights of their people in their own country. All right? In their own country, which is South Africa. That is the reason why their own is quite different. But our own is not different. Our own is total emancipation, total breakage of the zoo called Nigeria, total breakage of the Nigerian state. And how do we engage in this? It doesn't have to be much of using the foreign policies or the foreign ways, because this is Africa. Britain owns Nigeria. It's high time we start telling ourselves the truth. Britain owns Nigeria. It is Britain that owns Nigeria. All right? And for you to be able to pull out from the Nigerian state, or for you to be able to defeat the Fulani herdsmen, or for you to be able to create a new nation, is for you to defeat them militarily. You have to defeat them militarily. If you don't talk about how you are going to defeat them militarily, there's nothing for you. It's never going to work for you, because this is Africa. That is the truth. Anything you're doing, you have to remember that this is Africa. Okay, this is not just Africa. This is how it works. This is how it works. Okay, let us say that we are Africans. Now, let's look at Catalonia in Spain. Catalonia is a European country. They want to break away from the Barcelona. You understand? Catalonia wants to break away from Barcelona. And Catalonia have been doing their thing, trying to talk to the European Union, talk to the United Nations, and also conduct some referendums. Their leader, Carles Puigdemont, was arrested by the Spanish government. Carles Puigdemont was arrested by the Spanish government. Catalonia had a referendum twice and it was cancelled. Yes, they are white people. You have to understand this fact. Catalonians are white people. They are white people. Yet, their clamor for freedom through referendum never worked. And till now, it's not working. I don't know how far they've gone in it, but what I know is, like, till now, it is not working. So if the United Nations and the European Union cannot listen to fellow Europeans, concerning the freedom of their fellow Europeans. I don't understand why they were listening to black Africans. We are Africans. We are black Africans. The white people, they don't value us. The Europeans, they don't value us. The United Nations, they don't care about us. All right? Then, what am I trying to say? All I'm trying to say right now is that Biafrans have to understand the fact that armed struggle is the only way for us to pull out. That is the only way for us to pull out. Biafra can never be restored through diplomacy and talking. Biafra can never be restored through diplomacy and talking. I don't care if you like what I'm saying. I don't care if you don't like what I'm saying. What I'm saying is the fact. And you have to deal with it. Deal with it. Fino said, deal with it. Deal with it. Let it sink in. I don't care what you say. I don't care what you're thinking. I don't care how you say it. You must not allow your emotions to cloud your mindset. You must never allow your emotions for anything or anyone to cloud your mindset. Biafra restoration is time for games to be stopped, because I observe that a lot of games are going on. A lot of lies are being brewed in this Biafra struggle. There are so many lies and deceit in this Biafra struggle. People are not saying the truth. People are not telling us the truth. People are not telling us the truth concerning this struggle. The only way Biafra can be free is through armed struggle. Biafra can never be free through diplomacy. What I'm telling you is the fact. I don't care if you hate it. I don't care if you like it. It's a truth. All right? I'm telling you the truth. I don't care about how you feel. This is Africa, man. You have to wake up from your sleep and slumber. You have to understand the way things work here. We are not in Europe, man. If you are in Europe and you are championing for your freedom in Europe, and you are doing it through a peaceful strategy, I think that will be more understandable. And not in Africa. Look at Sudan and South Sudan. How did South Sudan get their freedom from the Islamic State of Sudan? Was it through diplomacy? It was not through diplomacy. We are not talking. We are not talking too much. Because our people, we are talking too much. All right? All in the name of sensitization, we are talking too much. We are blabbing. We are over blabbing. It doesn't make sense to me. Look at Ambazonia. Let me tell you, right now, I can categorically tell you that Ambazonia in Africa, Ambazonia are the people who are really fighting for their freedom. Our people don't know what they want yet. The truth is bitter to the ears of our people because of emotions that have clouded their minds, emotions that have clouded their thinkings, irrelevant emotions that have clouded their minds. People don't want to face the truth. People hate the truth. Most of our people hate the truth. Some people are seeing the truth, they don't want to talk. Some people are seeing the truth, they don't even want to talk. Some are scared of talking. What is all this thing going on in our land? What is these things that are happening in our land? Why is it that our people don't want to listen? Accept the fact. Accept the fact. United Nations can never give you Biafra. The only time United Nations will step in, the only time the United Nations will step into Biafra struggle is when they see that the Biafrans have risen up to take their destinies into their hands by engaging the Nigerian government militarily. When there is a higher engagement militarily, that alone will draw attention from the international community and not talking. My brother, no matter what you tweet on Earth, tweeting can never get us Biafra. It's a fact. My brother, no matter how many press statements you release, press statements can never get us Biafra. It's a fact. It is a fact. Let us stop living in denial. When I joined this struggle 2016. I joined this struggle 2016 because I saw that the struggle was headed in an armed struggle way. But I don't understand what happened along the line. Everything turned around. And we started talking about peaceful struggle. I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't understand. I try to understand. I want to know. I want people to call me in and tell me what's going on. Because I want to understand. Our people, we need to start telling ourselves the truth. Only the truth is going to set us free. Over lie plenty for this our struggle. They can't lie. What did they lie for this struggle? They lies plenty. There's so many lies, so many deceit. Adara agba eziokwu. Oge erugo mgbe a ga-ebido gwaba nwaanyị eziokwu. Oge erugo mgbe unu ga-ebido gwaba ụmụ mmadụ eziokwu. I've lost so many men in this struggle. I've lost so many men in this struggle. My friends, I've lost my friends in the struggle. I've lost so many niggas in this struggle. I'm not saying it with water in my mouth. What I'm telling you is the fact. Take it anywhere. I don't care who likes it or who does not like it. I not too much. There's too much ogbunigwe. I don't know now, baby. I don't care what anyone is saying. I don't care what people say. What I'm saying is very simple. We must understand the fact and start telling ourselves the truth. That is how it works in Africa. I am not attacking anybody. I am not channeling this to anybody. I'm talking to Biafrans in general, home and abroad. I'm not attacking anybody. I'm not forwarding it to anybody. I'm attacking our people, all our people. In fact, it's not an attack. I'm trying to talk sense to our people. So if you call it an attack, now you know. If you call it an insult to you, you understand it. See, I can tell you something. They say, na Baba kill Delegiwa. If you put a Mugida, my brother, now you sabi. You hear me so? Now Baba na iki Delegiwa. If you put a Mugida, my brothers and sisters, now nasabi. I can never shy away from saying the truth. The truth has to be clear. The truth has to be straight. The truth has to be clear, and the truth has to be straight. Our people should understand that we should understand the fact. We should understand the fact that armed struggle is the only way to defeat the Fulani headsmen. Armed struggle is the only way to defeat the Fulani headsmen. Armed struggle is the only way to defeat the Nigerian government. There's nothing that can see. From today to next year, we go allow the international community to talk about us. Eziokwu bụ ndụ guy. Ka agba no nwanyị eziokwu guy. See, na ka agba go no nwanyị eziokwu for once. Omodo ka onye na asa anya, kedu onye na-atụ egwu na? Afọ eziokwu a na-agba ya gburugburu. 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 Asị na were ndị ichie arụ ana, ndị okenye arụ ana, ndị okenye na-agba ana gburugburu, ndị okenye na-abụ afọ eziokwu, fada afọ eziokwu, fada ekwu eziokwu, a na-agba eziokwu ana gburugburu, a na-egbusisi ụmụ mmadụ. Ma mmadụ ole m lose na this struggle. Ihe ri ọba my guy na-arụ shoe na power line those days. Ka ebe ọ nọ kịta, ọ nọ India. Ya na afụ nwa elota nna nke a gbara egbe n'ọkụ. They are my guys. They are my niggas. Ana m agwa gị, nna akpọlọ gị afa. Ihe ri ọba my nigga in the India today. Wetin carry am go India? Because of the killings of our young men. Makwa men na-apịagbugo niggas. Akugo niggas short, when niggas don't collect short for this struggle. Niggas don't collect short. I don't care. See, the worst thing will go happen to anybody now, if you say now you did this struggle and you know that this country, My brother, you don't know as it be. So no come here, come tell me what you don't know as it be. Now we where this country, now we know as it be. Now we dey where this country, now we know as it be. You know how many niggas we don't die? You know how many niggas we don't die? Many niggas don't go down, many niggas don't go overboard, many niggas don't buy. Many don't go down. Strong man. Akashichari ike. Nda chokpo. Ndum na kwache kwa akashiri ike man. Nwanne, I ga-akwụsị iji ndụ anyị atụsụ well. Because ọ dị ka iji ndụ anyị na-atụsụ well. Because ọ dị ka battery anyị for one bar anyị were battery anyị na-agba game. Our battery for one bar anyị were na-agba game. You understand? The lies in this struggle are too much. It's becoming unbearable for me. I can't bear it any longer. The only way to get freedom from Nigeria is armed struggle. Go to me anywhere. Diplomacy can never work here. Guy! I know they see anybody face. So. I know they see anybody. I mean, I know they fear una. I know they fear una. See. Abamo odomo odogu kambo. Adra asin da asin de ebido nisi wanne. Understand? Onwe ifu no ya eme onye mali na onwe ifu ya eme o ya eme nwum na ko mechie m ọnụ na ya pụta ya bido bịa mewe nke ọma ịmara nke ya eme ka imechie m ọnụ pụta ka ime bịa na I represent a higher power. No be play. I represent a higher power. Adasindo. No man born of any woman can kill me. No woman born of any woman can kill me. Anywhere, whether you are man, woman, boy, girl, anywhere you are, you can't kill me. Your comments online can never take out one hair from my skin, nor the skin of our squad. So, if you like, believe what I'm saying. If you like, don't take what I'm saying. What I'm telling you is the fact. The fact is simple. The only way to get freedom is by engaging into armed struggle. That is the only way. Guy, niggas don't die. Muna leave that thing when they talk for year. Muna leave this thing when they talk for year. Muna leave this thing when they talk for year. We claim we worship the God of Israel. We claim that we worship the Jewish God. Okay, now the Jewish people, the Jewish people are busy preparing themselves for war every day. Our people are here doing. It doesn't make sense, guy. It doesn't make sense to me. I can't think straight. It doesn't make sense to me. Niggas are dying. Our boys are dying. Our homies are dying. Do you know how many men I don't lose for this struggle? Do you know how many friends I've lost? Do you know how many strong men that I've lost? The Israelites are busy preparing. The IDF is one of the strongest army in the world. IDF, the Israeli defense, the IDF, yeah. They are one of the strongest military in the world. They are very strong. They don't believe in yapping. See, they believe in action. If Hamas destroy them, if Hamas launch one rocket to Israel, Israel will retaliate with 57 rockets or 60. Israel will retaliate immediately and jam their enemies. Israel, they don't beg their enemies. What the United Nations says in their United Nations organization does not matter to countries like United States. It doesn't matter to the countries like Israel. It doesn't matter to countries like North Korea. It doesn't matter to countries like China. Whatever the United Nations are saying, you people should not do this. See, countries like Israel will not listen to you. United Nations are toothless bulldogs. Let me now tell you. United Nations can never bring peace to this world. Never, ever, ever. If there is no bloodshed, United Nations does not step in. They don't step in. They can never, ever step in. They can never, ever, ever step in. God bless Biafra and God bless BSMS. Akwasi na kebe na naje. Onye obana na aju kebe na naje. Ụfọdụ apụta online na-asị na na-awago na na-emego nka na na-emego nka. Akwa unu chọm apụtago m ọzọ. Apụtazi mgbute another fire. Apụtazi mgbute another brand. Akwa na aghọta. Apụta mgbute another brand ikwu na eziokwu. Nwere na-atụ egwu na dị struggle. Ịchọghị idu ndị mmadụ ka abịa call me short. Dịka ha na-abịa mburu ụzọ pịa the short. Otu akamu eme my own. Otu akamu eme my own. If you learn how to go isi, ni nwere ike ịkwụsị m, ịdị ndị ga-akụ m shot ka abịa call m the shot. Tiezie na arụ. Ka unu kwetazie na ike ya dị because me on my own as a commander of BSMS, I represent a higher power. I represent a higher power. No man born of anything, any woman can destroy me. I am beyond human destruction. And I'm a bear. Even now, fact, I am a destined man. I'm destined for greatness, and that greatness is to make sure that our people realize the fact that the only way now to move into the struggle and the only way now to hit Nigeria government and Fulani herdsmen hands down is to engage in armed struggle. Take it or leave it. Guy, take it or leave it. I don't fucking care what anybody thinks about it. You people, you need to share this video for our people to listen to, even our people who are in the diaspora. They have to understand. Our brothers in the diaspora, you have to understand. Guy, you living abroad in any part of the world, and telling me here to continue doing peaceful struggle on our bomber continent, it doesn't make sense to me. Because you are not here. In Germany, not a cupcake, not a cola. In France, not a US, not Italy, not attaching, the Italy they lick gelato. As they lick your gelato, they use your phone, they type, we will destroy them, we will bomb them with your phone. And on a phone, you will bomb them, you will destroy them. God, fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you, because you don't want to live to the truth. You don't want to tell yourself truth. We are busy creating problems with our riverine brothers. We are busy fighting with our riverine brothers. We are busy fighting with our riverine brothers. Is that what we should be doing? We are busy quarreling with our riverine brothers. Is that what we should be doing? We are busy calling our brothers' names. Our brother in the United Nations. In the riverine area rather, calling them names. Hakpo ani sabo, anya akpokwana ha sabo, onye akpo onye asabo, Mr. A na sabo, Mr. B sabo, Mr. C sabo, Mr. D2 sabo, Mr. E and F and G and H. Everybody na sabo, including me. They even said I'm sabo too. Hey, one name. Unu ga-akwụsị iji ndụ ndị be anyị agbaga mbọ, because unu ji ndụ ndị be anyị na-agbaga mbọ. I'm telling you, unu ji ndụ ndị be anyị na-agbaga mbọ. Unu ji ndụ ụmụ Biafra agbaga mbọ ka m na-agwazi unu nkịta. Onye kwu eziokwu asịkpụta ya ka egbuo. Ife ọmụnwa nwe onye nwere ike igbu m. Akwanọ m n'obodo a, anọrọ m n'Europe. I'm not anywhere in Asa because I'm in Biafra land. BSMS, we are waxing stronger. And everything we are doing is totally on the ground. Everything Biafra Special Military Squad is doing is totally on the ground. You people will never know whatever BSMS is doing until the right time comes. Because so many people are coming online so many people are online telling us, you people, BSMS, show us what you are doing. You have to tell us what you are doing. We have not seen you people carrying guns. We have not seen you people carrying bomb. Fulani is doing this. Fulani is doing that. You have not stone bomb. Okay, you want me, Nana Victor Maxwell of the Mokafo, you want me to come out and tell you what Biafra Special Military Squad is doing? Or I want General Chukwumadika Amimon to come out and tell you what Biafra Special Military Squad is doing? So that you can go and sell it out to the Nigerian government, or so that you can go and call Nigeria zoo security apparatus for us. Chai. And men nekata no munem na struggle la. Fuka hasi eri onwe ha mgbasi. Ndị ebrebe aso bụ mgbashi. Fu ile wa didi eri onwe ha amusu mgbashi. O de wo mi wo oda agbawa mobu. For your information, BSMS can never bring out what we are doing online. We can never ever, if you are expecting to see General Amemon with a gun online, foul. If you're waiting for me, Mama Victor Maxwell Odum, to show you ammunitions online and tell you, hey, we are going to work. Oh yeah, now look at us. Foul. We can never show you what we are doing, because if we show now still go cause us for us now. Now still cause us for General Amemon. Prove to us that you are working. General Amemon, show us what you are doing. Finally, how did it end? They went and they called SARS for him. Hello? This one is not sweet, the ear. Nana is talking out of points today. Thunder fire all of you. Wait. Who arrested General Amemon? Which people plotted the arrest of General Amemon? Do you know that it's Biafrans? Do you know who plotted the arrest of General Amemon? On the more. Even at the SARS command office, the SARS commanders, we are telling our representatives that be careful of Umunega. They are the people that wrote petition. Who wrote the petition? The SARS said they will show us the person. Which people wrote the petition? They say they don't know who wrote the petition. The person said those people said they don't want to show their identity. Imagine. The same man fighting for you. Una about the Agapore Assas. Kasasebia, one noon. Una Kasasebia, one noon. Now the Runa, Kunagapor Sas, Kasasebia, one noon. How do you people reason? What kind of brain do you people have? This struggle I know. Only lu fake, only ala fake, only nta fake, only imo fake. So no obre. Guy, gwabana ezioku guy. Ezioku bundu. There's something I like about oath taking. All the oaths that we have taken in this struggle, it is going to start working. In fact, it has started working. If you just start rubbish, I trust Ibino Babi. If you take oaths there, as immediately you start Zuzu, you get the repercussion. Kanna Gwazionu now. The only way to destroy the Fulani herdsmen is engaging in armed struggle. No country in Africa got their freedom through diplomacy. If you like, call Nana a traitor, call Nana a saboteur, call Nana this, call Nana that. If you need to reach out, Nana Odogu Kambu, Odogu Abroga name, no Ivalota, no. You understand? Anything you like, call me. If you like, call me, whatever you want to call me. I don't care if you love me. I don't care if you hate me. I don't fucking care. You don't feed me. You don't clothe me. You don't pay my fucking bills, nigga. Alright? The truth has to be straight. The only way to destroy the Fulani herdsmen is engaging in armed struggle. The only way to defeat Nigeria government is engaging in armed struggle. Not diplomacy, guy. I'm telling you, guy. It's not gonna win now. Msialuna soye bumaka based on who I be. Msialuna soye bumaka. If I lie to you guys, it will destroy my career. I can never lie to you guys. Onye si na like it if na-ekwu na lagoon ya jump in. Mo ya zo hypo juru oyi, onwo ya. Eziokwu ka na agwa unu. Eziokwu, how many of my niggas egbugo? What took Yoruba to India? Maybe Yoruba. What took Afunwele to India? When are we going to say the truth for once? When are we going to tell ourselves the truth and stop lying to each other? Guy, Gwanonwu n'eziokwu guy. Gwanonwu n'eziokwu guy. Gwanonwu n'eziokwu guy. Guy, Gwanonwu n'eziokwu guy. Gwanonwu n'eziokwu. Onwe funu ga-ebe bido n'mebe nya guy. Anya ọ na-emekwa nke anyị. On a low. And if you are expecting Biafra Special Military Squad to come out and show you what we are doing online, you are a fool. You are a very foolish person. In fact, you are the most foolish person in the world. You are not just foolish, you are stupid and you are hopeless. You don't have sense. You are senseless. Your sense is real. That's not what I'm trying to tell you. That's just the fact. Biafra Special Military Squad, everything we are doing is on the ground. And it's going to be on the ground because we don't know who to trust again. We don't know who to trust again. How can our general be arrested? Then we sent our people, our negotiators there to go and negotiate for his release. We went there, they told us that it was our people that arrested General Amimon. It was our people that arrested General Amimon, not Fulani. Not Fulani. Do you know how many blood of our brothers that are crying? The blood of our brothers are crying. The blood of our brothers are crying. The blood of our brothers who have been killed prematurely. Do you know so many men, so many women, do you know how so many women that are widows now because of this struggle? So many young girls lost their boyfriends and man friends because of this struggle. So many families have lost their breadwinners because of this struggle. What the fuck is wrong with us? What the fuck are we going to start up? What the fuck? When are we going to start up? When are we going to get sense? Can buy Gebido use BCI? Can buy Gebido use BCI? When the fuck are we going to start reasoning? We don't reason. We don't say the truth. We keep on lying to ourselves, guy. I tell you guys, I not work as man. We don't have to lie man. I see the too much and I struggle now. Okay, look at money video hotel bia. One no matter what you talk, tweet, write, guy. United Nations will never give you Biafra. Nigeria is a country that knows how to pay bribe. Nigeria knows how to bribe countries. Even Israel are benefiting from the oil in Nigeria. If you don't know today. Go and verify it. Make your own research. Israel are also benefiting from the oil in Nigeria, but they won't tell you. Let me tell you what you don't know. Yes, we are Jewish. We agree. Now, let me tell you something. Do you know that all the leaders in Israel are Kabbalists? Go and research. K-A-B-A-L-I-S-T. Kabbalists. All of them are Kabbalists. Do you know that? They believe in armed struggle. Everything they are doing, they believe in eye for an eye. They believe in tooth for tooth. They don't believe in blabbing because our people, we blab. The way we blab is unbearable for me. If I blabbing, you don't worry us. Then I feel so name and go on name. I told you, boy, sabu. Boy, I'm cat. Boy, but I can't go. But I can't go. But I'm memon. Can't go ya. But I'm memon. Can't go. But I sorry can't go ya. But I was really can't go ya. But I can't go ya. But I'm not can't go ya. But I can't go ya. One name. I go no one is yoku. Armed struggle is the only way out. We can't deny this fact. It is a fact because we are in Africa. Wake up. The lies are too much. The deceits are too much. God. You understand? The lies are too much. The deceit is too much. God. Kwana n'eziokwu man. Ke ka ga-esi nwete Biafra? Nwanne, na ka ga-esi nwete ya ọkwa egbe o. Onye ọbụla kwadonu kama ka anyị kwado ọfụma. Kwadonu kama ka anyị kwado ọfụma. Kwadonu kama ka anyị kwado ọfụma. Ọ gwụchala ha kwesịrị na-ekwu. Ka anyị kwadonu mana ka anyị kwado ọfụma. Mana ifulu nke anyị na-eme egbuo nwanne anyị apụta see the world is watching. Egbuo onye ọzọ apụta see the world is watching. Ọkụ agba na Ọnịcha apụta see the world is watching. Ọkụ gba na Ọchanja the world is watching. Ọkụ agba na Ọmọba the world is watching. Egbuo onye nke a the world is even our coordinators egbukwara ha sịkwa ya the world is watching. The world can watch kwa. What is the world watching? Who is this world watching? What are they watching? Ka ebe na watch guy. Ka kwụsị na ịtụ asị ya guy unu na-atụ oke asị. Ka m gwazi unu ifu ndị nọ na Biafra land ike asị agwụgwọ fa ka m gwazi unu na. Ka m gwazi unu na ifu ndị nọ na Biafra land na guy ifu ndị nọ na Biafra land na ndị ụmụnne anyị ndị Biafra nọ na Biafra land ike asị agwụgwọ they are tired of the lies nigga. Nigga, they are tired of the lies, nigga. You understand what I'm trying to tell you? The only way out is armed struggle. You can't dispute it. If you are disputing it, you are an agent of devil. The killings of our brothers na Togoto. See, if you are against us restoring Biafra in armed struggle, through armed struggle, that means the killings of our brothers na Togoto. When are we going to retaliate? When they kill us all? No, people should tell me, because I want to understand. Or do you think my life, I don't enjoy life? I don't know how to fuck a woman, or I don't know how to drive a big car, or I don't know how to travel abroad, or I don't know how to live my life and enjoy and live a flashy life and forget about all these things and go abroad and start flexing my life and allow the Fulanis to kill everybody. My business. I'll take my family to any country of my choice, and that is it. Amakwa m ka esi eme ahụ, amakwa m ka esi eme travel, amakwa m ka esi agba oringo, amakwa m ka esi agba moto, amakwa m ka esi ebi ndụ dị ụtọ, guy, ka m gwazie unu, guy. You understand? But ka m gwazie unu, guy, I don't want to run away, because if I run away now, I need a boss on a keze ya no di oguna. Ko ya no di oguna. My guy, the world is not watching anything. Ka na gwazie unu now. United Nations. Okay, Donald Trump, when he was making, during his campaign, before his first tenure, before he was elected as the what is it called? President of the United States. Before Donald Trump was elected as the President of the United States, he made something. He made a comment during his campaign. He said, if the people of Biafra want freedom, it's gonna be in my regime. That was what President Trump said. That if we want to get Biafra, if the people of Biafra want to be free, it's gonna be in his regime. I watched it on YouTube. It was a comment made by Donald Trump, even before he became President of the United States. When he became the President of the United States, what happened, guy? Till now, has Donald Trump said, our people were butchered, people who were celebrating in New Butcher that Donald Trump became the President of the United States, they were butchered. Did America say PIM? America did not say PIM. Israel did not say PIM. Guy, it's your problem, guy. Handle it by yourself, guy. That's why I love Ambazonia. I love Ambazonia so much. I have so much love for Ambazonia. Guy, no matter how little their resources are, they are fighting strong. They are defending their life. They are attacking La République du Cameroon. That's why I love Ambazonia. They are attacking La République du Cameroon, no matter how little they are. Can I say that we need to prepare well? When did you start preparing, guy? When did you start preparing? When did you preparing? Or nikada buda or nada prepare? Chambe usani ne kaya prepare efa. Ambe usani ne kaya prepare efa. Donald Trump did not say anything until now. Donald Trump is not saying anything about Biafra restoration. Now he's planning to go in 2020. When he goes in, he will start his tenure again as the POTUS, as the President of the United States, and he'll continue what he's doing without giving a damn about what the fuck we're doing. Americans are concerned about America. Get it as a fact. Americans are only concerned about Americans. Americans, let me say it again. Americans are concerned about America. Donald Trump is concerned about Americans. Donald Trump is only concerned about Americans, not Africans. Vladimir Putin, Russia, they are only concerned about Russians. Israel are concerned about Israelites. France are concerned about the French people. Guy, Biafrans should be concerned about Biafra. Guy, happy ya mesa ina agenda. Kanda abutela fighter jet. Ndi abutela fighter jet before anya no. Ndi anya nka we support ndi support onye. Gwa ya eziokwu karịa na-atụla ya asị. Eziokwu bụ ndụ. Eziokwu bụ ndụ. Eziokwu bụ ndụ. Oge erugo mgbe anyị ga-etikwa ya n'ọrụ. Eziokwu bụ ndụ. Eziokwu bụ ndụ. Eziokwu bụ ndụ. Oge erugo mgbe anyị ga-eti ya n'ọrụ nwanne. The truth remains indisputable, or undisputable rather. The truth is glaring for the world to see. And what is the truth? Armed struggle is the only way out. Anything less than armed struggle is suicide mission. Anything less than armed struggle, you are playing gamble with the life of our people. Anything less than armed struggle, you are killing our people. You are killing our people, for crying out loud. Boys are dying. Boys are dying. Able-bodied men are dying. Are you waiting for Bibi Netanyahu to come and fight for you? Wait, are you waiting for Boris Johnson to send envoys from Britain to come and fight for you? Oh, you are waiting for Mike Pence. Oh, you are waiting for Donald Trump to send envoys to come and fight for you. You're waiting for Putin to send envoys to come and fight for you. You understand? There are so many lies in this struggle. I say, guy, there are so many lies that we need to debunk. You understand? There are so many lies that we need to debunk. Go on Europe. To go to Gimbo. To go to Gimbo. To go to Gimbo. Came by me a far. And a bussy we are being killed. What have we done? What have we done? What have we done? What? We've done nothing, nigga. We've done nothing, nigga. We've done absolutely nothing. You keep talking. If they kill our people, we post their pictures online and write long praise statement, long biography. We paste it. Why? The world is watching. Echi, the world is watching. One Echi, the world is watching. Ibea, the world is watching. Can na watch if I can take our own anya? Can na watch if I no? Can the world don't watch if I can take our and the buyer and the buyer can now walk? I go walk on. Oh, Papa Babu, Delegiwa, it's a way and get all game. I'm channeling this my talk to Biafrans all over the world. I'm not targeting any person. I'm not targeting any group. Because there are so many groups fighting for the restoration of Biafra. We have IPOB, we have BNC, we have BNYL, we have BSMS, we have Soldiers of Justice, SOJ. Yes. So, I'm not talking to any of them. I'm talking to Biafrans. Because Biafra belongs to Biafrans. It is time for people to start telling themselves the truth. Truth is life. Let us tell ourselves the truth, nigga. We have to understand the fact that the only way to get Biafra is through arms. We can never restore Biafra through over-talking. It's not possible. It's never, ever, ever possible. We can never restore Biafra through telling the world, see, oh, they have killed us, oh, tomorrow we tell the world, see, oh, they have killed us again, oh, next tomorrow we tell the world, see, oh, they have killed us again. Well, okay. They will be looking at you and say, child, be serious. The United Nations, they don't even care about you as a black man. To them, you are a black monkey. Look at Catalonia. Catalonia cannot even exit Spain, but they are white people. They have done a referendum twice and the referendum was cancelled. White people. Not to talk of black monkeys like black Africans. My God, this is disgusting. The lies are too much. The deceit are too much. Tell yourself the truth. The Fulani herdsmen are killing our people, ravaging our lands, occupying our lands, raping our women, causing mayhem, wreaking havoc, causing pillage. We are busy telling the world to keep watching. The world, keep watching. The world, keep watching. Or if I gaily, is that what we are going to eat? Biafrans, if you want to be free, you have to take your destinies into your hands. Biafrans, you must take your destinies into your hands. Biafrans, take your destinies into your hands. The only way for you to get Biafra is for you to engage in armed struggle. Except that, nothing again. There's nothing nobody want to tell me, especially when you are in Europe, telling me to hi. They don't understand what we are passing through here in Biafra land. You don't understand. Most of our people in Europe, they don't understand what Biafrans are passing through in Biafra land. Do you know how many checkpoints we have in Biafra land? Do you think you can remove them by talking? You can't. Guy, you engage. Engage them fiercely with a higher power, which I represent. I represent a higher power. I represent a higher power. With a higher power, we'll bring Nigeria down. With a higher power, we'll bring Fulani herdsmen down. Our farmers are crying every day. Our farmers are weeping. Our farmers are crying. Our farmers are shedding tears. They can't farm. They can't do nothing on their farms. Their farms are being, oh God, have mercy. Their farms are being occupied by the Fulanis. When they go in there to farm, if they are female, is that they are being raped. Even the men, they rape the men and the animals. I'm talking about old men. Sorry. Talking about our old men. Our old men are being raped too through the animals by the Fulanis. And all we do is to tell the world to watch. Our people are being killed every day. And all we do is to tell the world to keep watching. Our people are being massacred every day. And all we do is to tell the world that they are watching. That they should keep watching. Nigga, fuck you. This thing is not a one-man something. This is a collective something that we need to talk about. Armed struggle, guy. That's the only way, guy. Up here, everywhere, guy, now walk. Ndọcha na-afụ ịka mugu. Ndọcha na-afụ ịka mugu. Ndọcha na-afụ ịka onukwu. Ndị ọcha na-afụ gị ka mugu. White people, they see you as a fool. They see you like onye na-amala efe because they know how the world works. You need to know how the world works. We are in Africa. In every continent in the world, Africans are being seen. In fact, Africans, white people, they don't value us. Whether we die, whether we live, whether we pass through hell, whether we pass through subjugations and sufferings, white people, they don't care. Look at what black Americans are going through in America. Look at what black Americans are going through in America. Not to talk of black Africans who are in Africa. You think the United Nations care? If you don't know, the United Nations are having their own quota of the oil in Nigeria. In Biafra land, rather. Because Nigeria don't own any oil. Every oil in this part of the world belongs to Biafrans. Do you know that the United Nations, they are having their cut in the oil. So how do you expect such people to give you the freedom? How? African Union, those people, they are even dead on arrival. They have nothing to do. They can't even help. Like, look at what France is doing to Francophone colonies. Look at what they're doing. Embezzling them. Total enslavement. Colonialism. Continuous colonialism. And African Union have said nothing. There was a woman that was speaking. I've forgotten her name. There's a woman that's always speaking against the evil that France is perpetrating in their Francophone colonies. The woman was emphasizing. Do you know the AU is like they are trying to sanction that woman? You understand? It's like they want to. I don't know. They want to try to find a way to shut that woman up. Talking of the African Union, they can't even do nothing to save us. African Union will have never done anything for Biafra. They are not planning to do anything to free Biafra. So is it the United Nations? From 1967 to 1970, didn't United Nations exist? United Nations weren't they existing from 67 to 70? They were in existence. What did they do to help Biafrans? Nothing. And they tell me it is now that they are still benefiting from that oil. That's when they will help Biafrans to restore Biafra. Or European Union that are busy focusing on their things in Europe. They have no fucking business with Africans. You understand? They have no damn fucking business with Africans. They have no fucking business with Africans. Those European Union people. They don't care about we Africans, nigga. They don't fucking care. They don't care about how we live. They don't care about how we survive. They even want us to be destroyed. They want us to be killed the more. So that they can get the oil. The problem there is the oil. They just want the oil. They don't care if you are free or not. So in such situation, what do? Guy, you arm yourselves. You attack your enemies. Now, when you go struggle, I will agwa na can you amara na obro Sierra Leone metis. On go the struggle. Una agwa na ka malo na ka pi na ebusi our men like this. Na adama ota. Honestly, adama ota. Umu Biafra, adama ota man find na emeze eme. Ka if find na emeze eme na this struggle. I don't care who is in Aso Rock. If they like, let them put dog in Aso Rock. All I want is Biafra. Let us stop talking about relevant things and talk about relevant things. I don't care who is in Aso Rock. Nigga, I don't care. All I want is Biafra restoration. Share this message. Remember, I told you before, I don't care if you love it. I don't care if you hate it. If you like, allow your stupid emotions to cloud your mind. If you like, allow your stupid emotions to cloud your mind. If you like, allow your hopeless emotions to cloud your mind. Tell yourselves the truth. Armed struggle is the only way to defeat the Fulani herdsmen. Armed struggle is the only way to defeat the Nigerian government. If you don't like it, you can go and die. If you can call me a Sabo, I don't care. I've been called Sabo more than 52,000 times. I don't give a damn fuck. But I'll keep hammering on the truth. Alright? Until our people get back to their senses and understand that the only way to defeat Nigerian government is not through typing, it's not through the press statements, guy. Are we the press statements, guy? Guy, that's not the way to get Biafra, guy. I get there 1 million years, guy. Well, if I get man, I get there. The wow. I go try me next post. 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 All the thing, maybe the thing will go to happen. Well, if I name, you understand? The man you do million for it was guy. Put on your guy. Afuganya, or bullying or behind the that type. But you go see when you pussy a beno, Afugamala. Or bullying on Obudo, you believe now what a Sean native gain it in Buna. But Obuda Ika Obi Batana. Ika Obi Bata. Ika Obi a bata, simple. Ika Obi Bata now, bullying say, hey, if I was there now, I would stone bomb. If I was there now, I would store rocket launcher. If I was there now, I would throw rocket. If I was there now, I would throw this. If I was there now, I'm bakashi everywhere. Ta just come chegano seso. Ebono buni gono kuno bageni. Ta we ebono seso. Ebono. Fulani mandene mesihike. Isa asije jua. Isa asije ije jua bakiari. Okwagi ndene mesihike. Fulani ma ndene mesihike. Ọ bụrụ online na-eti mkpu n'obodo Igbo na-eti gịnị ka ị na-eti etikpokwu ụmụazị na eziokwu kwụghị n'elu ka sịga eziokwu kwụghị n'elu. The truth is tall like you, just like a cigarette stick. The truth is just there, very greenish. You understand? The truth is greenish, very, very greenish. very greenish. Before you are seeing the truth. Yes, ashi dị too much. Agakwara ebe a, emekwara ka ashi. Ị na-etinye Russia, US nka, Russia si nka, Israel sikwa nka, ashi. Hey! Nunu egbuole ndị ba egbu biko. God dị ka ashi wee nka. Ashi dị too much, guy. Una do the lie. The lie is too much. What did they happen? They don't fit tell people the truth. I want to defeat Nigerian government with all those rubbish things they do. She did too much, guy. Too much lie. Yeah? Hey! Chineke na-ata egwu ata. Na I be say, megide ha. Na I be say, all these are people that died in Aba, in Mpo, in Iguacha, in Enugu. That means they died for nothing. Hey! Chineke mere m ebere. That means they died for nothing. They sacrificed their life for nothing. Hey! Udisa nyelomaka. Nyelu kuwasi achi anyochi. Nyelu kuwasi uwa na achi anyochi. Obula na emano no uwa na achi anyochi. Ikwesi emano uwa na achi anyochi. Guy. Truth is bitter. Very bitter. Bitter kidigo. Eziokwu na akilu n'ọnụ. Eziokwu na akilu na ntị. Ama m na achọrọ ịnụ eziokwu. Do I care? Do you pay my bills? You don't pay my damn bills, nigga. You don't pay my bills. You don't do nothing for me. You understand? And we in BSMS, we don't fucking need your fucking money. We don't fucking need your fucking money. Alright? Keep your damn money. We're not asking you to fund us. We are funding ourselves. We are doing our things. Strictly on the ground. You idiots will never know what we are doing. Never, ever again. Nke a gwara ha ga-akpọrọ ISAS. Kpọrọ onye isi ISAS. Dee petition gbalaga. Ndị kpọrọ SAS bịa gosi n'ili iru unu ha na-agba ọsọ. Chee! Ndị dere petition ngwa gosizie n'iru unu na ha na-agba ọsọ. Ndị SAS atụọ anyị mbọ. SAS tụrụ anyị mbọ si anyị. Ọkwa ndị a. Do you know Nigeria police and Nigeria SARS? They are very useless people. No matter how much you give them, they will disclose your identity. Ha tụkwara anyị mbọ si anyị nena anyị were anyị ime mmụọ nye unu ọkwa ụmụnne unu. Chee! Akwa alịlị ka mbe. Ebele m akwa alịlị. Ndị anyị na ha sa achụ mmụọ sizi na anyị na-esi mmụọ. Ndị anyị na-asa achụ mmụọ si na anyị na-esizi mmụọ. Truth is bitter. Very bitter. The only way to restore Biafra is armed struggle. And BSMS, we are out for armed struggle. If you are expecting to see what we are doing online, fuck you. If you are expecting to see our actions online, fuck you. If you are expecting to see General Mimon with his squad carrying guns, fuck you. Go suck your mother. Alright? Go suck your mother. Because you will never see what we are doing again. We are totally on the ground. Dala. Koyi ji egwu afụ eziokwu a na-agba eziokwu okirikiri kwupụnụ na ihe kwupụnụ ọ na ike agwụgwụ ga-esi nna ụmụnne m ike agwụgwụ m amaghịzi m ife m na-emezi na ngwa bịanụ na ke ka anyị ga-esi mee a sị agbaka aka nye ọma mere ọgba ọfụfụ ọ bụla kpụta onye aka akụgbu ya ngwa ụmụnne m ndị Biafra ka nchụke na unu ndị gọvanọ si anya na kịta na unu na-akpọ kịta na si ka anyị kụgbuo na somebody like Okezi Ikpeazu, if you go and attack Okezi Ikpeazu now, what is it called? Ndị Ngwa will attack you. If you go and attack Obiano, his family members will attack you. If you go any politician, if you attack Omahi today, Igbo people will attack you. They will tell you he's their brother. Why? Because we are all victims in this. We are all victims. Even those governors, they are victims too. They have been subjugated, caged, controlled by the Fulani Caliphate. The only way to restore Biafra is peace, is armed struggle. Peaceful. Armed struggle is the only way to restore Biafra. I don't care who is angry about what I'm saying. I don't care who is. The only thing you will do is to type rubbish on Facebook. After typing, you go and sleep. Tomorrow you come and type again and you go and sleep. That's the only thing you will do. Or get away from my phone to tomorrow. It will never take out one hair from my body. You won't pay my bills. You understand? You don't pay my bills. You don't feed me. Alright? You don't do nothing for me. So who the fuck do you think you are that I won't talk to you? Are you not a human being? Our people are human beings. So I talk to them. And I tell them the fact. We must stop running away from the fact. You can never defeat Fulani herdsmen or Nigeria government with a bond. Lie to lie. They can wagide away 1 million years. Onwe he gada. Akwenano. Onwe life gada. Onwe life gada. Onwe life gada. Onwe ife akwado si ke Somebody called me and told me that he wanted to join Biafra Special Military Squad. A guy, I won't call his name here. When we launched our first camp, when we are launching our first camp, the guy said that he wants to join Biafra Special Military Squad. So I told him that we are on camp right now. Do you know why the guy asked me? The guy told me, look at what the guy told me before God and man. I'm telling you the truth. Before God and man, that guy asked me, guy, Nana, I hope this camp is not going to be like that camp I did. Actually, like Chipon Ofia, say I got me training. I miss out training. I have idea, poor. Baba Ayaka. Always if I know. The thing here is Abuzo now is peaceful. Guy na choose the friend to guy na choose. Oh, if that boy Joe. Oh, that boy Joe. I say I'm gonna be SMS adro to awa. I say I'm gonna be SMS adro to awa. Oh, even see ya. I say I'm gonna be SMS adro to awa. Oh, even gwale. The guy, I call him the guy. Even how to draw the guy? Johnny Kewom. I said no chokwa ko bro the camper haje mgbe one. I happen ha n'ime ya. Awezi ya anu ka aga echefu ya. Guy, I said the too much. Ngore the too much. The lies are too much. The deceit are too much. The egbo ono kanko guy. Egbo ono kanko. 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 I ga-akwụsị igbe egbo ono me. I ga-akwụsị igbe egbo ono man. I ga-akwụsị igbe egbo ono man. Let us say the truth to ourselves and understand the fact that we can never get Biafra through a type here online. To either in the Ndocha. Do they care about black people? Ndocha? Do they fucking care about black people? My friend, they don't care. My brother, they don't care. My sister, they don't care. Papa, mama, they don't care. Whether you are Igbo, whether you are Isoko, whether you are Anang, whether you are Efik, Izon, Ejo, Ishekiri, Urobo, Igede, Ebanke, Ibakere. Every part of Biafra land, any part of Biafra land you are from, you have to understand that the truth is simple. The only way to restore Biafra is armed struggle. That is the only way. Believe me, I'm telling you the truth. If you like, take it. If you like, leave it. If you like, get angry. Now you know, now your anger is not my anger. One day, Haribisi, Owegi iwe, kwisi na war. Owegi iwe, kwisi na war. And after Haribi, his new song, he said, kwisi na war. Haribi said, kwisi na war. Owegi iwe, kwisi na war. ife haribe ikwu. So onye o were iwe ya pịa isi na wall. Onye ife na-ekwu okwu, onye o were iwe ya pịa isi na wall. Onye ngwara okwu, okwu ọbụla nkwu, o wee gị iwe, pịa isi na wall. Pịa isi na wall. Pịa isi na wall. Pịa isi na wall. Guy, pịa isi na wall. If you don't like wetin I dey talk, hit your head for wall. Simple. Pịa isi na wall, man. Because truth, eziokwu na-agba ndị Afrịka afọ. Eziokwu na-agba ndị Afrịka afọ. Eziokwu na-agbawasị ha obi. Ha na-achọ iji ntị ha anụtụ eziokwu n'ụwa. Ha na-achọ iji ntị anụ eziokwu. Eziokwu na-agbarụ ha afọ. Truth dey turn their belle. Ka agba n'ụwa anyị eziokwu. Asị anyị na-atụgasị, o nwere ebe ọkpa anyị eje. Ifuru asị anyị na-atụ, o nwere ebe ọkpa anyị eje. Anyị ga-atụgide asị atụ ya 1 million years, o nwere ife anyị ga-enweta. God bless Biafra and God bless Biafra Special Military Squad. Nigeria must fall. Nigeria has fallen already. God bless Biafra and God bless Biafra Special Military Squad. Fulani herdsmen must fall. Fulani herdsmen have fallen already. They must fall and they have fallen already. I'm not ready for Igbo Ono. You understand? Armed struggle is the only way out. Ka ịgba n'ụwa anyị eziokwu. Tụgodo onwe gị mbọ. Tụgodo onwe gị mbọ. Gwagodo onwe gị eziokwu. Tell yourself the truth. You understand? Tell yourself the truth. You have to understand. You have to tell yourself the truth. All right? Tell yourself the truth. Tell yourself the truth. It's not just about we doing all these things that we are doing online. No. The reason why I came now is to preach this sense to our people, to tell our people this common truth. They have to understand. They have to tell themselves the truth. Truth is life. White people, they don't care about you. European Union, they don't care about you. United Nations, they don't care about you. African Union, ooh, nothing. You understand? It does not work. At all. It does not work at all. All right? It does not work. It does not work that way. It does not work that way. There's a way things are done here in Africa. If you are in a continent, you should understand the kind of continent in which you dwell in. We are in the worst part of Africa, which is Nigeria. The Fulanis don't understand diplomacy. The Fulanis, they don't understand diplomacy. Never. They can never understand it. Not today, not tomorrow, not next tomorrow. The Fulanis, they don't understand diplomacy. Nigeria governments, they are deaf to diplomacy. They are bereft of ideas when it comes to diplomacy. They don't. They don't. They don't understand diplomacy. Never. They can never understand diplomacy. The Fulani headsmen, they don't understand diplomacy. What are you going to tell the Fulani headsmen? You're going to tell them that, please lay down your arms, and now we want to conduct our referendum. We are Biafrans, blah, blah, blah. We want to go now. You people, you should go. What the fuck? The Fulani Empire allow you go just like that without you engaging them when they have already given their militia 100 billion to buy arms and prepare. This is the biggest lie I've ever heard. Biafra will come peacefully is the biggest lie of the century. Asiocha guy. Guy have Asiocha, man. Kogodo onwe gị eziokwu. O nwere ike fụọ gị ụfụ n'obi. Mana n'ime obi gị ịma nọ eziokwu. Mana n'ime obi gị ịma nọ eziokwu. Ka m kwụsịgodo ebe a maka taa. I will come back. God bless Biafra and God bless Biafra Special Military Squad. Nigeria must fall. Nigeria has fallen already. God bless General Chukwumadika Amimon. God bless every Biafran freedom fighter fighting genuinely, irrespective of the group. As far as you are genuinely fighting for this struggle, may Chukwu Abiyama be with you. Day one. God.